Okay, I'm about to unbox the Weed Wacker WS2200 Craftsman. It's a 2-cycle Weed Wacker, and I'm about to unbox it and put it together. So let's get started. This is the motor part. That's your other shaft. This is the bag. All the compartments. We're gonna do, we're gonna unscrew this.
Hey, handyman, what you doing right now?
I'm putting together the Craftsman Weed Wacker WS2200.
Awesome.
So there you go. Put this together right here. And this here has a little place. You just slip it in. Put your washer. Screw it up. There it is. See? The little washer. Put it together. Go. Step one. Your little about engine information. And this here. This is the little piece. I'll tell you how to put it together. Step 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna do the handle. Up, pull them out to put the shaft. This one. Loosen this a little bit. See the shaft. A little bit more. Go back in place. So this, it's locked in place. Tight this up. Make sure it doesn't come out. sure this is tied up. There you go. It's good. As you can see, I have my little dog with me, Panda. He's here. So now I'm putting the handle. For the handle, you need the flathead screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver for the handle. Screw. So, let me put this. What about here? See, depend on the person. This is adjustable. So you need to adjust it to how it feels comfortable. So you get a balance. See, when you hold it, it's not tilted too much. So right about here. Bring it up a little bit. Right about here. Yep. So now we use our screw. All right, nice and tight. Okay, that's it. I already put it together. And this one is very light, by the way. I used to have another one, but with this one is very light. So what I'm gonna do now, I have a little mix gas to put. See this one here. It's a 501. It's a fuel with the oil that I already mixed together for the 2-cycle engine. You can find those at Lowe's, Home Depot. You know, I don't have to worry about mixing the stuff. So it's a lot easier for me to just put it in there. Plus this one, I don't think they have any ethanol on this. So which keep the engine nice and neat. Open it up. Put it in. Okay. Close it up. Get my goggles. Very important for safety. And this one here, I'm gonna bring this closer so you can see. See this right here, it says press the bulb with fuel about 10 times, move the lever to 1, squeeze the throttle and pull the rope maximum 5 times, and after that move the lever to step 2, squeeze the throttle and pull rope 5 to 10 times to start it up. So I already put the fuel in there, as you can see. See, I got my fuel in there. See, I got my fuel. So now I'm gonna give it the little choke to tell me to press the fill up button. Press the fill up about 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it tell me pull the lever to number 1 number one, and then squeeze the throttle and pull the rope. Squeeze the throttle, pull the rope. 3, 4, 5. Now it tells me to put it to number 2, which is 2 right there. And I crank it up. Now it's a new engine. Right now I'm going to let it run for a little bit because we just crank it up, put it in there. So I got to get it running. It just stuck right up. Nice. Because the problem I had with the old one, when you tried to start it, it was giving you a hard time. It would start because it was having all these issues. And one thing I like about this one is very light. It's light and you crank it right up and it starts. So now let me take all that stuff out. And then we're going to try it. I'm going to try it. So remember, safety is very important. Get my glasses because it's a weed whacker. I'm going to do a little bit around that area where the plant is at. Go. Now I'm ready. Got my glasses and I'm going to turn in this area here, and that's where I'm going to try it out so you can see. All right. I got my first try. The line, you just bump it. You just bump it and the line come out. And then what I like about this, it's really light. And there you have it. That's the Craftsman WS2200. Set up, tried, and good to go.